Hey everybody! Do you remember this? This is my redbud tree. Remember I did a show about redbuds? The leaves are finally coming. Okay, so this area here used to be the swimming pool. It's going to become our garden. And there's, at least 5 really important herbs that I want to talk about. I'm going to try to grow some of them. That's really important that you need to keep in your diet right now. One is turmeric, because it's a yellow spice and it has curcumin, and it's a powdery compound, which is very significant for anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And it may help to reduce inflammation and improve brain function and reduce the risk of heart disease. You need to incorporate this into your diet. The next one is ginger. We've all heard about ginger. It's got that kind of strong little taste to it. It's not one of my favorites, but ginger is great for your digestion. It can alleviate nausea, reduce bloating. It may also possess anti-inflammatory effects. So you want to add ginger to your diet. Next is garlic. While technically a bulb, garlic is often used like an herb in cooking, and it boosts impressive health benefits. Everything, it can help your immune system, your blood pressure, your cholesterol level. You need to use this throughout your dishes. Now let's talk one we don't use a lot. Rosemary. This fragrant needle-like herb is rich in a lot of things, and it can help improve your memory and concentration. It's also anti-inflammatory properties and may have a lot of benefits to you. You can use it, when you're roasting meats, or infuse it in your olive oil. And finally, one that almost grows wild here is peppermint. It has a great aroma to it, but peppermint has been known for its ability to soothe your digestion upset when your stomach is hurting or you feel bloating. It may also have some energetic and mood boosting effects. You can enjoy this. I love peppermint in my tea, fresh peppermint in my salads. Hell, I used to just pick peppermint and chew on it just to get the taste in my mouth when I was doing yard work. These are 5, what we call some herbs and a bulb, that's really important that you should try to put in your diet. It can help in a lot of ways. I'm not a dietitian. I'm just a silver daddy. So I hope you like my suggestions. And please, always leave comments below. Maybe you know something that we can share with everyone. Sharing is caring. Hey, everyone. I want to thank you for watching and listening to Trippin' with Silver Daddy. It makes my day. And I hope you all have a great day. And remember, as always, love, peace, and respect. Bye. We got to start working on that garden now.